Alrighty guys, we got Matt Barker here with DiabloSport. We are on site at LS Fest 2019. This is the 10th year, so 10 years of mayhem. We've got the S Challenge going on right now. And of course, anything LS powered is here. We've got all kinds of cars, trucks, and pretty much anything you can throw a motor in's got an LS around here. Anything from go-karts to motorcycles. The list really never stops. So it's been an awesome event. You know, we got to see the pretty cool drift challenge last night, and of course tons of drag racing and a dyno on site. So it's definitely a great event. If you guys are looking at events next year, make sure you always keep an LS Fest in mind here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Yes, I'm a man in a hurry, gotta keep. Ain't got no time to be satisfied. Put my hands in my pockets, loose changes on my phone. Put my hands in my pockets, loose changes on my phone. Ain't got no time. Yourself until you walked in my shoes. Keep your opinions to yourself. You never felt my blues. Just ain't no time to be satisfied. No time to be satisfied. No time to be satisfied. No time